In this video, I'm going to show you how to secure your thread when there are no stitches on the existing design to be able to anchor behind. I have a pre-threaded needle with 2 strands of embroidery floss. So I start by coming up through the bottom hole of the first stitch. I then turn the design over, and at this point I bring it through and hold a tail at the back in the direction of where I'm going to stitch. I then continue on with the half stitch, and at this point I go back down and through and turn over again to check that I am stitching over the tail, which I am. If you're not, you simply just adjust where the tail is. You then continue with this for however many stitches you wish. I will just do the 3 and then finish the stitches going back across. And then if you turn over, you will see that the stitches are pinned underneath the existing stitches. So your thread is now secure, and what you can then do is use your sharp embroidery scissors to snip off the remaining tail. Thanks for watching.